Okay children, this exercise going to be very interesting, as well as this exercise it's like a game. Okay, what is a game? Let's see the heading of the exercise first, then we will continue the game. Match and join the words. Okay, we want to match and join the words to form new words. Okay, to form the new words. Okay, here the pictures was given. Okay, first we going to find it out the picture first. Just name the picture, then we can go to this section. Isn't it? What is this? A for you already studied this. What is this? Yes, this is a aeroplane. Very good. And this is, tell me, what is this? If you're not, yes, just find it out. What is this? Come on. No, no, it's not. Okay, let's find it out. This one. What is this? Yes, this is popcorn. Very nice. Very good. Okay, let's find it out. This is groundnut. Very good. What is this? Groundnut or peanut? Isn't it? It's a peanut. Okay, what is this? This is a lipstick. Very nice. And this is mailbox. This is, what is this? Yes, this is handbag, isn't it? Very nice. Okay, let's do it. What is this? This is, tell me. Yes, this is star. Very good. Star fish. Very nice. Very nice. This is a star fish. Okay, let's see here. Who is he? He having cap and he having a gun. We will say it like he having a hat. This is not a cap, this is a hat. If somebody wear a hat and having a gun, we will say cowman. Okay, we will say cowman. Very good. Okay, now we have find it out the picture names. Now we are going to match the picture name. Okay, first we will do this aeroplane. Okay, the air was here. You are going to find it out where the plane. You are going to find it out plane from here. Just keep your forefinger here and go to downwards and find it out the plane. Did you find it out? Just keep it on your forefinger to the chair and go to downwards. Did you find it out? Yes. Where is the plane? Very good. Airplane. Airplane. Very nice. And then, okay, second one. We will find it out this. I have told you cowman. We already know where is a cow. Just find it out where is a cow. Yes, this is a cow. Very good. Cow. Man. You are going to find it out. Man. Man. Sorry, cow man, not cowboy. B-O-Y, boy. You are going to find it out. Boy, cow, boy. We already studied the spelling for boy, isn't it? What is the spelling for boy? B-O-Y, boy. We have studied already. Okay, now you are going to find it out. Where is a boy? Here is a cow and where is a boy? Just find it out. Very good. Where it is? It's here. Very good. Okay. Okay. Let's see this. This is hand. And where is a bag? Yes, it's the same having here. Here itself having hand, bag. You don't get worry. Okay. Let's do the next one. This is mail. Very good. This is a mail. Okay. Where is a mail? This is a mail. And tell me where is a box? X sound. You are getting the end sound X. Okay, now find out where is the box. Did you got it? Yes. Where is the box? Here is a box. Mail box. Okay, we have so far we have find it out the 3 letters. Okay, now I'm moving to this one. It's a peanut. You know, you all love peanut sauce. Do you you love the peanut spread also? You just apply it on a bread. If you eat it, it will taste good and it's also healthy, isn't it? Okay, let's see. This is a P. You are going to find it out. Nut. You are going to find it out. Nut. T sound. The ending T word. Just find it out. Ending T word. N. N. It. Nut. Nut. I think this pronunciation will help you to find it out the correct word easily. Okay, keep your forefinger from the chair to bottom. Search it and search and pick the correct word. Yes, where it is? Peanut. Very good. Okay, next we are moving to this one. It's a lipstick. Lip. Yeah, find it out a lip. Now you're going to find out stick. Ik sound. We already studied the ik. What is the sound of ik? CK. If CK means you will get the ik sound. Okay, you are going to find it out. The word which ends with CK sound. Stick. Stick. Did you find it out? Did you got the word? If you not got the word, just find it out with carefully. Just keep your forefinger above the options and down your forefingers. Now you will get it. Yes, where it is? Yes, this is a lipstick. Very good. And the next one we will find it out. Popcorn. All of our favorite popcorns, isn't it? Okay, I too love the popcorns. Do you all love popcorn? Very good. Okay, let's match the pop. The pop is here. And where is a corn? We have seen the corn word, isn't it? The R will be silent, but the R will be there, isn't it? Corn. Corn. You're getting an end sound at the end. Corn. Yeah, now you are going to find it out. Where is a corn? Where is a corn? You're going to find it out. Where is a corn? If you're not able to find it out, just keep your forefinger from the chair and to bottom. Just find it out. Where is a corn? Yes, here is a corn. Very nice. I've just matched it. Very good. Next, we are going to do an exercise to this one. Starfish. Because it's looking like a star, isn't it? Did you see starfish anywhere? Okay, in a marine you can see a starfish, isn't it? Okay, let's, here is a star. You're going to find it out. Ish sound. Ish. What is the word? Which word will give the ish sound? SH. If SH, it will give the ish sound. Fish. Fish. Yes, the fish is the ish sound is here. The fish. We have find it out this. And this is armchair because we can keep our arm in the chair. Okay, so this is armchair. This is the arm. You are going to find it out. Chair. You are getting a R sound at end of the word. Where it is? Yes, this is a chair. You are going to make a line. Okay, and the last one, what is this? We will use it in our home, isn't it? At the winter season, we will use mostly this. What is this? This is a carpet. This is a car. The car is given. You are going to find it out. Pet. T sound. Pet. Pet. You are going to find it out. The word which end with T sound. Pet. Where it is? Did you got it the answer? Yes. Here is a carpet. Okay. So far we have matched the first half word and the second half word. Now I am going to write the word in that particular dash. Okay. Now you are going to tell me the spelling. I am not at all going to tell me the spelling. You are going to tell me the spelling to me. Okay. Okay. The first one. What is this? This is a airplane. Airplane. Okay, tell me the spelling for airplane. A I R, air. Next, plane, P L A N E, airplane. Okay, tell me for the second picture, what is this? Arm, chair. Very good. Okay, tell me the spelling for arm. A R M, arm. Chair, C H A I R, armchair. Okay, tell me what is this? This is carpet, isn't it? Okay, tell me the spelling for carpet. Car, for car, spelling for car is C A R, car. Okay, tell me the spelling for pet. Pet, P E T. Very nice. Okay, tell me what is this picture? Cowboy. We already studied the spelling for cow, isn't it? C O W, boy. B O Y, boy. Okay. Okay, what is this? This is handbag. Okay, hand, H A N D, hand, bag, B A G, hand bag. Very good. Okay, look at the next picture. What is this? This is mail box. M A I L B O X, mail box. Okay, let's tell me what is the picture called. This is lipstick. Lipstick, L I P, lipstick. Yes, T I C K, lipstick. Okay, this is, what is this? This is peanut. The peanut, P E A N U T, peanut. Okay, this is popcorn. This is popcorn. P O P C O R N, popcorn. And this is starfish. This is a star and here is a fish. Yes, T A R F I S H, starfish. This is airplane. Armchair, carpet, cowboy, handbag, mailbox, lipstick, peanut, popcorn, starfish. Okay, we have divided into two parts and we have learned the two word and we joined the two word into the one word and having a particular meaning. Isn't it, children? Did you enjoy this? Okay, let's do the next exercise.